Today we're back at the Magic Kingdom in Orlando, Florida. If you're new here, welcome to our channel, Derek and Cole, where we like to travel, tour, and explore new things each and every week. We're currently walking into the Magic Kingdom, and today is the day after the 50th anniversary. My sister Megan decided to join us today, and we always have a great time. I'm sure there's gonna be tons of laughs today. We're gonna try to do all of the opening day rides and just explore everything there is to offer. So we always normally do like Big Thunder and stuff like that first, but today we're gonna do the opposite. Today we're gonna go on Space Mountain first. And if you're new to our channel and like Disney content as well as other travel content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and definitely check out all of our other social media handles as well. Okay, so we just got off of Space Mountain. It was our first ride. Megan, did you like Space Mountain? Megan likes Space Mountain. I mean, we love Space Mountain. We ride it all the time. But now we're gonna head over to Fantasyland, ride some rides there. We actually rode Space Mountain and we did the alien shooting game. So we're heading over, we're gonna do like Ariel, I think the Peter Pan flight, we're gonna do Haunted Mansion. Yeah, so we're gonna do a bunch of stuff.
Hey guys, wash your hands.
Pies, piernas y aletas dentro del vehículo.
Hello, Ariel. Am I right? Ah, what a voice. What a beautiful voice. Well, anyway, Ariel fell in love with a human.
Thinking about that hair.
Yes, wasn't planning. No big deal. I want more.
But they said good day is cold. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you go beyond the pay.
This ride is so amazing.
Since life is so new, we got to be there naturally.
Oh, Ariel, in love with a human. I believe it has not been a nasty.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my.
I love Ariel. That ride is just so colorful. It's so perfect, especially if you have kids. Okay, so we are at Gaston's Tavern now. We just got off a Little Mermaid and we got the sticky bun. If you've never had this, it is the most amazing sticky bun ever. And we got a LaFoe's brew, which is like applesauce. And then I think it's like a mango like whipped cream on top of it. But the real star of the show is the cinnamon bun. It is so good. Okay, so we are going on It's a Small World next. We're just trying to go around the park and do all the rides. It's only a 20-minute wait. It's a classic. It's an opening day attraction, so we want to make sure we hit up all the opening day attractions.
Welcome to It's a Small World. Las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del juego. Y cuide los pequeñitos.
I think that may be one of my favorite ones. That pink poodle is so cute. Oh, this is cute. Oh, there's the big hippo. An amusement park, so it's like we're back at Disney World. All the little characters from all the countries all come together and they're having like a little amusement park party. This ride's a one and done for Derek. Megan, you like it? Oh yeah. We're going on my favorite ride, the Haunted Mansion. Are you pumped, Megan? Yeah. I'm so excited. This is my favorite ride.
For everyone, there's no turning back now. This chamber has no
Mansion, and what was your favorite part?
The knocking doors is great.
My favorite part of the Haunted Mansion is the very end scene where they're kind of like having a party in the graveyard and they're all singing and all the characters are there. But I love Haunted Mansion, I love all of it, but I think that's my favorite scene. Pico's Bills. I really like Pico's Bills. It's quick, it's easy, it's like Tex-Mex, pretty tasty, and simple. Megan got, is this the cake pop?
Yes.
Okay, this is the 50th cake pop. So it's not a round cake pop, it kind of looks like a popsicle, has some sparkles on the end of it. That's cute. And what are those? Are the 1971 nachos. They got the fajitas. We got the fajitas. And then we got a side of chips. I don't recommend getting the side of chips because the side of chips is $5. And I think it may be less than 10 chips, so. Thank you so much. Woo. How's it? Dole Whip is our favorite. We have a Dole Whip machine at home and it tastes pretty much the same. It's so good. Okay, so we're ready to go on the Jungle Cruise. This is the first ride today that we're really having to wait in a decently long line. So it says it's about 55 minutes, so we'll see if it's actually 55 minutes or not. But everything else today has been a super short line. I feel like this ride is really popular right now because the Jungle Cruise movie just came out. So we're really excited to go on it. It's had some updates recently. We haven't ridden since these updates happened. Here comes our yacht.
I got a question for you. What are you doing? Get in here. Watch your head. Watch your head.
Thank you.
All right. This is a few quick reminders to increase your chances of survival and enjoyment. Parents, if you brought your children, why? I mean, watch them. Wait, so everyone's still in line. Bye. Only 9 more hours. You can make it. And with that, we're now headed down the Nile River in Africa. You know, it's the longest river in the world. Just goes on for miles and 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 miles. And if you don't believe me, you're in denial. Oh my gosh, everyone, look quick! It's the star of the Jungle Cruise! It's The Rock! Now up ahead on the right are 2 Nile crocodiles. Don't worry, folks, these are actually my good friends, Old Smiley and Ginger. Now, Smiley's very friendly, but watch out for Ginger, because Ginger snaps. Oh, but the danger isn't over yet, folks. I just steered us into a hippo pool. All right, these guys can be dangerous. I'm going to have to scare them off. Let me try this. It worked on my last boyfriend. I love you! Yeah, don't worry. We're never going to hear from them again. If anyone's wearing anything yellow, just please don't make any noises like a banana, all right? They find that very appealing. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to say it. Those butterflies are nice and all, but they're really not what they used to be. No way. Folks, I always thought it was just a myth, but we're about to discover the 8th wonder of the world. Give it up for the backside
We just got off the Jungle Cruise and it was super fun. Our skipper was super great. I think her name was Lauren. She was hilarious, though she definitely went over the top and all out to make it so much fun. Megan? Yeah, she was really good. Something else. Okay, we'll catch up with you soon. We're not sure what we're doing next, but again, we're trying to hit all of the first day rides today. So we are going hard trying to get all the rides done. Flight next. This is an opening day ride. We don't ride this very often because it normally has numerous hour waits, but today it's only 55 minutes, so we're gonna try to go on it. And we got 50th popcorn. They're all out of the mousier popcorn buckets, like the Mickey ones that look like balloons, but they have this really cute one that still has all the 50th stuff on it. After waiting an hour, we're finally on it.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
There's London, so it's like we're flying over top of London. There's the Mermaid Lagoon, and Ariel must be visiting them. Wendy got saved and there's Tink. Captain Hook's gonna get eaten by the alligator. And that was it. Pretty short ride, but this is one of the opening day attractions, so I really wanted to ride it this time. And that's it.
That's the point.
Oh my god. I'm gonna puke. I just am not gonna be able to walk straight. Ride a yellow teacup. Guys, I don't know. Oh my god. Megan's still spinning. I don't know if I can walk.
If I can get up right now, maybe install house.
Hang on tightly, Ro. Look, Mama, look.
Come bounce with me. Bounce right out of the ride. Watch out for everyone's noodles. They steal honey. They love it because they love so long the things we prize.
Rain went away, and everyone gathered together to say,
Crew is a super short ride, but it's really cute, so if you have little kids worth riding it.
Please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your trip.
So keep your eyes peeled. You never know what you might see.
There's the castle.
Pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
Look, there's Tron. This is our first time seeing the Tron construction.
adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights.
Nicole's driving. We're on the Tomorrowland Speedway.
I just crashed.
She's trying to watch the camera instead of going where she's going. First time driver.
There's Tron. Hopefully we'll get a closer
we're
look
gonna flip
at
you
it.
to Tron right now.
Don't try to vlog and drive at the same time. It doesn't work very well.
Thank God we are not on a real road.
This thing just turned very easily. It's like a manual.
No, it's an automatic. You see a gear shifter? My God. It's really cool looking, the outside of it, the colors and everything. Can't wait for it to be done.
All that scream is kind of blocking the view.
Space Mountain's all lit up, very iridescent looking.
As we crash again.
There's the rest of Tomorrowland. The People Mover just went past. You can see the castle off in the distance.
We haven't been on these tours since they redid the track for Tron because they made it shorter. Here we are on a straightaway. Let's see if I can not
So you can lay the hammer on the gas a little bit here. Oh no! Come on, you gotta drive it like you stole it.
Sorry, to go as fast as I can. Megan and them are nowhere to be seen.
You can see Dumbo off to your right.
Oh, that's fun. Coming into the finish line.
And we're coming into the finish line. Currently have a caution. Hopefully we don't rear end the car in front of us.
That's Megan and Kristen.
How do you feel about your driving?
I think my driving's good. I didn't run into the line too many times.
Too many?
Too many, just like you. A few times. So we are some of the last people on the back side of the Magic Kingdom. So if you look back here, it is pretty empty. We just came from Big Thunder and Splash Mountain. Splash Mountain was the last ride we rode. So we're heading up to the front of the park. We're gonna stop in a few gift stores and maybe get a slushie on our way out. So again, thanks for coming along with us today on all of our adventures. We rode so many rides. We got to do pretty much everything we wanted to do. We rode a few rides twice, and now we're closing out our night being some of the last people here, which is really fun and exciting. We probably won't catch up with you before tomorrow because we're exhausted. So we're gonna stop in some stores and get the bus back to our hotel. But if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel down below and definitely hit that bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.